Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because that's where system privacy lives. Open Settings and tap Safari to access search and browsing controls. Once done, make sure you know whether iCloud Safari is enabled. This affects what clears across devices. If you're signed into an Apple ID with Sync on, clearing locally won't remove history on other devices until you disable Sync or clear them there as well. Now tap Clear History and Website Data to begin the actual delete process. You'll now perform the main deletion. Tap Clear History and Website Data. The system explains it removes browsing history, cookies, and cached data. When the confirmation appears, press Clear to proceed. This permanently removes searches stored locally. If you want to keep other devices unaffected, go back to your Apple ID, open iCloud settings, and toggle off Safari before clearing. This prevents synced history from reappearing. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the system. Finish by clearing in-app search where applicable. Open Maps, App Store, and individual apps to remove recent searches in their settings. Once done, relaunch Safari or restart your iPhone to ensure caches refresh. If you still see items, sign out of your Apple ID and repeat clearing to remove synced remnants, then sign back in. If problems persist, check restrictions or screen time that might preserve data, and contact Apple support as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.